major leak has just revealed 7 key upgrades to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, including our first clear look at its new design. This isn't just speculation anymore. OnLeaks confirms the Watch 8 Classic draws strong inspiration from the Watch Ultra. Thanks to detailed CAD renders, we now see Samsung's refined vision. At first glance, it resembles the Ultra, but it's no copy. The iconic rotating bezel returns, now sharper and more textured, featuring deep anti-slip ridges for better grip and usability. The Watch 8 Classic takes a more circular approach than the squared-off Ultra, signaling the full return of Samsung's Gear Sport design language from 2017. It's a clean, familiar look, a smart evolution of what's already been successful. With the Ultra selling strong, it's no surprise Samsung is sticking to a proven formula. Still, a bolder visual departure would have helped it stand out more. Right now, it feels a bit too close to the Ultra, just with a rotating bezel added. A fully circular design could have helped the Classic carve out more of its own identity. As for sizing, there's only one option this year, and it's getting noticeably thicker. We're talking 2 millimeters more than the Ultra and over 3 millimeters thicker than the Watch 6 Classic. If that extra bulk means a bigger battery, it's a fair trade-off for some. But for those with slimmer wrists, the added heft might be less appealing. If Samsung's aiming to surpass the Watch Ultra's battery life, the added thickness could be justified, but time will tell. Unfortunately, charging speeds remain unchanged. The Watch 8 Classic still caps at 10 watt, just like the Ultra, meaning a full charge could still take nearly 2 hours. A bump to 15 watts would have been a welcome upgrade. As for performance, it's running the same chip as last year's Ultra. No surprises there. Samsung typically reuses its chips across generations, and to be fair, the one in the Watch Ultra performs well, smooth, stable, and reliable. Still, with One UI Watch 8 on the horizon, a bit more optimization could make a noticeable difference. Now to the standout new feature, the antioxidant index, a smartwatch first. According to leaks, it works by removing the watch and placing your thumb on the heart rate sensor, with results shown in the Samsung Health app. While a bit inconvenient, it serves a purpose. Samsung says it tracks antioxidant levels to help counter free radicals, unstable molecules linked to cell damage, aging, and unhealthy habits. The goal? Encourage healthier lifestyle choices based on your body's antioxidant status. That's not the only health-focused upgrade. The Watch 8 Classic also introduces vascular load tracking, a feature that monitors how your daily habits impact heart strain and cardiovascular health, aiming to boost endurance over time. Samsung Health is also adding a personal health coach, offering tailored advice for goals like weight loss, better sleep, or overall wellness. And yes, the Watch 8 Classic will include Gemini integration, a major step forward for smart features on the wrist. Gemini is a major leap over Google Assistant, promising smoother, more natural voice interactions, arguably one of the most impactful quality of life upgrades for the watch lineup. The Watch 8 series also debuts with One UI Watch 8, featuring a refreshed interface and new pill-shaped tiles. It's a bold shift that may suit phones better than round watch faces, but real-world use will reveal how well it works.
Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.